What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Life with Damon. And oh yeah, you ready, right? We had a $1,500 day with PZZA. A $1,500 day with PZZA. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all watch this real quick, and then we'll come back and talk about it.
Okay, family, let me zoom in a little bit, show you what we are working with. So, like I said, this is my Charles Schwab account. It is called the PCRA Trust. It is sponsored through my employer. So basically, it's a self-directed IRA. Here is the total account value. And as you can see, today's change, $1,594 even. That was an 18.38% gain in the portfolio today. Year to date, I am up 27.2%, so over $2,100. And then let me just scroll down in here so you can see the specifics. Okay, so that is PZZA, Papa John's International. I own 200 shares. Right now, the stock is selling for $51.28. That is a change of $7.97 today. Again, showing you my market value. Days change, $1,594. Cost basis, this is what I invested. This was my initial investment, over $8,100. And this is how much I've made in the stock so far. Now keep in mind, I bought this stock on February the 11th. Today is, let me show you the date, February 13th, 5:32 p.m. So in 3 trading sessions, I've made over $2,100 with PZZA. That's Papa John's.
Welcome back, family. So yeah, tell me, what would you do if you had a stock that was up over 27% in 3 days? What would you do? Would you sell it? Would you take some profit off of the table? Would you hold it? What would you do? Me, like I told you before, I'm a buy and hold kind of guy. You know, I'm a long-term investor. I believe there's a lot more running room to go for Papa John's. As I stated before, Papa John's, the stock price has languished for years, for at least the last 3 to 5 years. When I was looking at this stock, that was one of the first things I noticed, that this stock has just been kind of just waiting in the water, not really doing much at all for years, you know. And we all remember Papa John's had they went through a tough patch, you know, with the owner. There was a lot of things that came out, a lot of racial things that came out with the owner, and the company has suffered, the stock price at least has suffered ever since. But when I was looking at Papa John's, I knew that there was some type of a turnaround happening when the company declared that they were going to pay a 46-cent dividend to their investors. You know, and most times when companies want to give back money to their investors, they have extra cash. They could have bought that stock. They could have did anything, but they gave dividends back to the investors. So that was a signal to me that maybe Papa John's was right in line for a turnaround. And I bought the stock, and sure enough, in 3 days, we are up 27%. Now, I believe that the stock has a lot more running room. I am holding. That is the decision that I am making with PZZA. I will be holding the stock. I told you yesterday, I would love to hold this stock for the whole year of 2025 and just let this thing run, baby, run. But I am definitely going to hold the stock until I deem that the stock is no longer worth holding, maybe, you know. Maybe that's a year from now. Maybe that's 2 years from now. Maybe that's 6 months from now. You know, maybe some news comes out and it changes my mind about the way I feel about the stock. But until then, we are not going to stop this train. Let that locomotive run, baby. Run, baby, run. Don't stop a train while it's rolling. So that is the approach that I am going to take with PZZA. So let me know down in the comments, did you make any money today with PZZA? If you are an owner of the stock, you definitely made money. or were you one of the people jumping in and out of the stock today, trying to time the stock? I don't try to time those stocks. I hold the stock and I just let it do its thing. And when I feel that the stock has run its course, then that's when I'll let it go. But it certainly ain't within a day, okay? We're gonna let this stock run. We're gonna give this stock some leg room to stretch itself out so we can get those big gains. We're not looking for 10, 15% gains. We're not looking for 20, 25% gains. We're looking for 2 baggers, 3 baggers, 4 baggers. That's the kind of investing we are doing. That's the kind of returns that we are looking for by being long-term investors. So yeah, man, even if you didn't make any money with PZZA, talk to me about what made you money today. How did you do in the market today? You may have made money in an options contract. You may have made money, in another stock. But just comment down below, how you did with your investing today. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to tomorrow to see what the market does. I'm very excited about Papa John's Incorporated. Like I said, I am the type of investor, I like to invest in things that I know. Warren Buffett once said, if you're going to invest your money, make sure you are familiar with that company in some type of sense. Don't just blindly go into buying a company stock. You barely even know the name of the company. You don't know what the company does. You don't know what they're selling. You don't know if they're in good financial shape or not. You're just buying something because you heard somebody else say buy it, or you saw something on the internet. That is not the type of investing we do here. All right. We are informed investors. All right. And again, I want to say I am not a financial advisor. I am not giving you any financial tips. I am just simply sharing with you my financial journey. This is my money that I am saving for retirement. It's not money that I can go and get my hands on right now. It's money that I have inside of my portfolio. And it's not a realized gain. It's an unrealized gain. I haven't sold it yet. So, the stock can still go up and down in value, until I realize the gain. But as of today, we rose $1,500 in value in one day. The stock market is one of the greatest engines and one of the greatest opportunities that we have to build wealth in this country. And the stock market does not care how old you are. The stock market does not care your level of education. The stock market does not care the color of your skin. The only thing that the stock market cares about is, are you invested? If you are invested, then all of us have a fair chance and a fair opportunity to win. Shout out to one of the greatest engines that we have in the history of the world to build wealth. And that's none other than the stock market here in the United States of America, where millionaires are made every single day. I'm excited, fam, and I'm looking forward to what's going to happen in the market tomorrow. I'm looking forward to what's going to happen in the market in the days and months to come. I wish you happy investing. May you continue to see green in your portfolios, and may your stocks continue to rise, all right? So shout out to you guys. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time tuning in to the channel, I hope that I've added enough value to where you would consider liking, sharing, subscribing, even leaving a comment maybe. And if you are already a subscriber, peace out. I'll catch y'all next time.